Tuesday, March 31st, last day of March, and as you can see, raining. So, not a lot of things to do, just wait in the cabin and look for the better weather. So today it was raining, and when it's raining you have to cook. And the thing that I decided to cook are s'mores. Some of you requested us on Instagram to create a checklist of the gear and equipment that we are taking on this 6-month long trip. So since it's been cold and raining, we decided to do it this week. So this is the configuration. Let me explain you in detail what we carry. This is the main baggage. This is the Kuriakin vagabond bag. I think it's 50-liter capacity, and in here we carry all our regular clothes. On top of it, we have a second helmet, be able to switch helmets. The helmet is the same as the shoes. If you wear the same shoe day after day after day after day, it starts hurting, and it's better to carry a full face helmet for the long days and highways, and an open face helmet for back roads and heat days. Both sleeping bags, because we're gonna do a lot of camping. Both sleeping bags, both of them inside of dry bags. That way they can be on the outside, and if it's raining, they don't get wet. In here I have a folding chair for the camping, and inside of the same bag I have the air mattress, the pillow, the head light for the night, and this is a portable cot that we are going to use to sleep on the tent. On the right side, always to be on the outside of the road, we carry all the rain gear and some tools that we could use. And of course in here we carry the rain gear, full rain gear. We carry some protection for the bags. We can lock everything that we set up. Some security for the bike, air compressor just in case we have a flat tire, and we have other stuff here like tools. It's easy to access to it if you have an emergency, because you are on the right side of on the shoulder of the road. On this other bag, that's the trick of the trip. Right now it's half empty. When we left New York City, it was freezing cold, so we were wearing on us all the winter gear. But when it's gonna hit the summer, we will have to take off these clothes and put it here. So it's so important that this bag, it's half empty right now, because that way we can put all the winter stuff here and wear the summer clothes. So right now, as you can see, it's almost empty. To arrive here, we carried some food, but a trick that I also suggest to take with you, arm warmers. So this is to put on the hands, this is to put on the boot. Automatically works when you open it, and it saves our lives.
And my bike looks pretty much the same. Right now it's unloaded, it's naked, but usually I carry the same stuff that Jordi. So here I would put the CC bar and the rack, and the kayaking, everything looks pretty much the same, with the only difference that I'm carrying the tent. So that's why he's carrying my sleeping bag. But the rest of the configuration is pretty much the same.
So folks, this is mainly it.
This is it. I hope you enjoyed our tips and see you next week.
See you next week.